July 23rd, AM, Puppy Cam. Hound mix puppies available for adoption. I would point out each one individually by name, but their names are on their collars. I'm just trying not to interrupt the action. But I think if there's one you see that you're particularly interested in, just look at the picture that's on the bio. I think you can figure it out. They're all colored a little bit differently. 5 boys, 2 girls. Mother is a hound, Marla. I'll show you her again. Six weeks plus old this week, getting spayed and neutered. I believe it's the boys on Monday next, the girls on Wednesday next, 1 week from today, the 23rd. And of course, then they can go home right after that if they have an approved application. This is over 4 minutes long. I don't know. Just starting to get some good action here, though. Right. Oh. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. That's cute. That's pretty cute. That's really cute. Bringa! Huh? Look at you. That's really good. It's a good job, everybody. I'm gonna put a wrap on this here. Okay, kids. Thank you. And here we have Mother. Marla, are you out here digging? Looks like it. Were you burying a bone? That's Mama, Marla. She'll be available in a couple weeks. Puppies are pretty much weaned. We have to get her spayed, of course, there. Look at the camera, Marla, sit. Marla. Marla. Marla wanna go in and get a treat. It's okay, Mommy. That's it. That's a wrap.